guys, let me show you the most second popular yogurt in South Africa. So there is it. It's pink flavor because I wanted the pink one. I don't want the apricot one. Okay. There is the inside of it. And let me try my first. So I'm just trying it today. But if you know the first one, it is the one with the fruit. That's the first. Thank you. I just wanted to show you guys. It's like that. Okay? So, if you're in South Africa or America or United States, okay, that's the same, or France or Italy or Zimbabwe or whatever place you are in, come. And if you're in South Africa, come. My darling, come take this thing because you're going to faint if you eat it. I'm a faint now. Okay, just come.